Hello everyone, this is Berlin Biker, and it's Saturday of the Woodward Dream Cruise. If you don't know what that is, it is the single largest automotive gathering in one day in the world. It's like 1.5 million people show up for this. 40,000 different cars come up. It's behind me. It's basically on Woodward, which is in Detroit. It's like America's first highway, I think they call it. It basically connects Detroit down here all the way up to all the car companies up in Rochester Hills and Plymouth, not Plymouth, Pontiac, things like that. So I stopped over here. Behind me is the Ford Bronco gathering. It's basically like 70 or so Ford Broncos that came together for a little show while all this is happening. I like Ford Broncos. If you like Ford Broncos, this is probably a pretty good video for you to watch. If you don't, it's probably still a pretty good video for you to watch. So that's it right now. Let's go look at some Broncos. Hey everyone, this is Joey, back again. We just walked through all the Broncos. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button, which is probably like down here or something. It would mean a lot. And I'm gonna keep cruising up Woodward and see what I can find. Thanks guys, Joey out.